Good morning, class. Welcome to day 7 of your emotional color unit. Today is the last day of the unit and where we should be submitting our final projects and your learning log. So your learning goal is and has been to create a design that evokes a tone or emotion through the use of color. And that was our main focus. And then our essential question is, how does an artist's application of color affect the emotional response of the viewer? And that question is basically asking how the way that we apply the color to the paper, the way we choose the color, the way we apply it, how do those things help the emotional response? Meaning, how do those things help convey the emotion that we chose? So I would look at color psychology, harmony, and rhythm when responding to that question. And then your vocabulary, we're going to be focusing on all your vocab today in your learning log. So first off, and most importantly, please make sure you submit your final project photo to the final emotional color final project assignment. This is worth 100 points. So please make sure your photo is clear, it's cropped, it's very easy for me to see so I can grade it. Make sure it's good lighting as well. Lastly, if you are, or not lastly, but if you are watching this video and you are submitting it early, that's fine. Just make sure that you are still completing your daily progress submissions, that you're creating some kind of free artwork each day to show that you're working in class. Please don't just keep submitting your final image to your daily progress. But again, that's only if you you're submitting your work early today. Once you submit your project, please make sure you complete your emotional color learning log. This is worth 28 points. It should be very easy. It's just a reflection of your artwork. You're answering your central question, and also you have the vocab section. So just a helpful hint at the bottom here, it says that you can refer to the vocabulary answers PDF, a file that has all of the vocabulary answers to help with that section. It is an open note quiz, so please feel free to look at that if you feel like you need it. There's no reason anybody should get less than an 8 out of 8 on that section because of the answers are right there. And then lastly, when you are answering your essential question and even your artist statement questions, where you're talking about what you made, how you made it, and why you made it, please make sure you're writing at length. I want to make sure that students aren't just doing, 2, 3, 4 word answers. They should be complete sentences. You should be writing in an insightful way that shows real thought, and basically it shows a proper response. There's no set sentence requirement. It doesn't say you have to write a certain amount of sentences, but I am looking for detailed responses where the students are, where you are all hitting every category. You're discussing everything that needs to be discussed in each section. So please make sure that your responses are thorough. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing your final projects, grading your learning logs for an easy additional 28 points, and then we are going to start our new unit next class, and I look forward to sharing that with you and starting a new project. All right, guys, just make sure you submit everything, your project and your learning log, and you will be good to go. All right, please message me if any questions. Otherwise, today should be a very easy day. All right, bye, everyone.